This is Lantern, a tethered unmanned aerial system that delivers persistent aerial surveillance, providing operators with a stable, elevated vantage point for real-time situational awareness. The tether provides secure communications and continuous power, enabling the UAS to operate as a temporary tower for hours. This dramatically increases uptime and eliminates the limitations of battery-powered drones that require frequent battery swaps, cool-down periods, and ongoing maintenance. Once deployed, the system maintains a persistent overwatch position, enabling long-duration monitoring. Equipped with an EO/IR payload, such as the Trillium HD40 LVV, Lantern operates effectively in both day and night conditions. The electro-optical camera provides high-resolution daylight imagery, while the infrared sensor detects heat signatures, revealing activity invisible to the naked eye. Together, these sensors enable uninterrupted, around-the-clock observation through an easy-to-use, operator-friendly interface. Beyond ISR, the system serves as a force multiplier for communications. By elevating radios above obstructions, Lantern extends line-of-sight links and improves signal reliability. This capability enhances beyond line-of-sight communications and provides a stable relay for voice, video, or sensor data across complex terrain. Lantern enables true on-the-move operations by autonomously following its host vehicle or vessel while in tethered flight. This autonomous capability allows operators to focus on sensor data and mission objectives rather than manual flight control, ensuring continuous situational awareness without halting movement or redeploying the system. In contested environments, connectivity can disappear in an instant. Adversaries target satellite signals to blind units on the move. But even when GPS is jammed or spoofed, Lantern stays locked on mission. Its tether vector system delivers a precise, physical reference, maintaining aircraft stability and orientation without relying on satellites. When the mission requires the UAV to move beyond the host platform, Lantern can execute up to 5 minutes of tetherless scouting. With a single button press, it detaches from the tether, conducts the mission, and automatically reconnects upon return with no manual setup required. Built to meet MIL-STD-810H environmental standards, Lantern is proven to perform in the harshest conditions. The system has undergone extensive shock and vibration testing to validate performance under the stresses of mobile and maritime operations. Tested in environments ranging from heavy rain and snow to extreme heat and winter ice, Lantern delivers reliable operation when mission success depends on it.